believe. They say more money, more checks, break the problem. Putting that problem if you up once to start them. How you talking down to me? She was at the bottom. I was watching your career fall autumn. I'm talking a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. If I'm the best, then it's big competition. Clean the business, watch how it glisten. No we the ghosts, if you would just listen. My circle smaller like the wood in your chest. You come for one of us, then I'm more. Come straight at your neck. We can argue and we can win it. Before we gon' connect, I'm just shooting at your temple like you was some last text. Big shit, go rogue, no I'm down 10 toes. You know this ain't open door. I start up, let's come back with my dough. See the don't you what I like. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me west. Just started something, but nothing still you was testing. You got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
But like damn, hello, wait, that's why tell a nigga hate, cause you know that he a fan. She so hop up on the beat, that shit they go banana. Oh, I got it all, I ain't take no handouts. Why you looking at me? Silly things when I was like 23. Open up your eyes, girl, tell me what you see. You didn't want to fuck with me, but you want your knees. I be doing all this shit, don't need no sleep. I be doing this like 7 days a week.